I'm Angie Stahl. I work for Dell IT. I am part of the Systems Center Configuration Manager's operations team. Dell is a huge partner with 1E. We have a very deep partnership relationship. We have embraced all of the products that 1E provides to the end user community, specifically SMS Wake Up, Night Watchman, Shopping, Nomad. One of the attractive things about the 1E technologies is their deep integration with Systems Center Config Manager. We've always liked that because it gives us the opportunity of being able to add new features and feature sets which enable us to better manage our environment without having to add a large infrastructure investment in order to run those solutions. Since we're using the entire suite of products that 1E offers, we've realized a huge host of benefits. In the Night Watchman space, power management, reducing our carbon footprint in the environment, SMS Wake Up, which was the one technology that brought us to 1E in the first place because of our desire to want to mitigate zero-day vulnerabilities, and we wanted an effective technology that would allow us to, once we knew that vulnerability was out there, we could reach out and touch all of our systems in a relatively short period of time, therefore securing our environment and continuing our business operations. With the shopping solution, we really saw it as initially just a value add, but the deeper we got into the technology with its rich licensing as well as workflow, we saw a huge potential to meet some gaps that we weren't able to meet business needs with previously. We've seen significant cost savings. Our previous process was very kludgy. It was generally up to the application owners to develop their own external to IT managed process in order to get that software out there. So now we're better able to equip our end users with applications they need to get their jobs done faster, quicker, better. A previous process might take 32 hours in order to get that software to the end user on their computer, and now we can deliver it literally within minutes. The 1E shopping solution has given Dell some unexpected benefits that when we originally started engaging with the technology we did not foresee. One of those is specifically being able to add and offer virtual apps to our end users. Isolate them from our normal methodology that we use with Config Manager and be able to feature set them on shopping, so thereby end users can delineate between a virtual application versus a more traditional, I'm going to install all the bits on the computer type application. So it's really allowed our virtual application efforts to kind of take off. And we didn't really see that on our roadmap when we originally invested in shopping. One of the other unexpected benefits that we've received from 1E shopping is we've actually been able to reduce our licensing footprint by utilizing the rental feature. We have a limited licensing pool, and what we'll generally do with end users is we'll allow them to rent those applications, and then when they're through needing them, we can then reclaim them and redistribute them to the next end user that needs them. When we IT started looking at shopping, we wanted to justify it to the business so that we could get the investment and resources. We found that it was a huge value add to our end users in enabling them to get their software faster, quicker, and in a relatively short period of time without a lot of effort on their part. The one thing I love about working with 1E is they are a wonderful partner to work with. They're a passionate company that is dedicated to their products, and every challenge we've thrown at them, they just grab and run down the field with. They're a pleasure to work with every day, but they're also a pleasure to know because they're also a very fun bunch of people.